We're talking about restaurants where people eat 24 hours. We're talking about restaurants where people come in every time. Or from office, can get lunch, dinner, night time, it's a nightlife, clubbing and all that stuff. One day, something never happened, and mama's waiting for this activity, fighting, stabbing, shooting, or any token for drug relating, prostitution, any token for negativity, one that never happened on mama's. Or make sure say one of the things that we prioritize, which is things that can be for the government and the police, we don't ever go against them. So when we get such letter, there was a negotiation going on, but then what happened to these people, not even tourism, not even a representative of tourism for saying, because people work for sure, say today only Camp William, or today for move this parts, or today one stop non-representative will not see from tourism. Only see should the man that was gone, like fully armed. I'm talking about weapons and ways of them. They will use them for fights. You understand? So the man them always see them police officers. You know, they come with this excavator automatically just to damage things without even giving us time. See, okay, now we go inside. Now we pull money. Yeah, no pull safe. No pull television, they no pull anything they say it's something for no power. You understand? No pull the food away, we don't keep because like I tell you in a place where they run 24 hours, we don't sleep on dinner. Yeah? Aggressively approaching without listening to no one. Now we ask, who are they in charge of this operation? Who is in charge of this? The officer that will say tourism. Okay. Who is tourism? Who is the representative? Show me one person who can give me a better explanation. Who's on for point? No, or who's on the left? Or from the point all side? Or no center on us on a good time? Go pull all the things else. Because these are things that people that spend the money on. You understand? We're talking about a project we want 500,000, 500,000 K. You understand? Southside picking in the camp, play, get good food, enjoy, get good time. Family members in the camp, people in the camp and drink and enjoy themselves. People and put their sweat inside. For how many years? People and they work and they get paid from this place. Feed them family at home, take them picking in school, pay their rent. Now you the girl for camp with no for yourself, oh, I want to make people and not say to that, carry the hand of the people. You understand? So nobody no consult say, we can't today, or if we can't today, now from yonder to yonder, nobody. You understand? And even when we come, when they come, we ask, say, who are they in charge of this operation? The officer, where I can recall his name, Mr. Joseph, in the tell me say, in the just send them for them protect fully, nobody no offense. So nobody no offense there, fine, fair enough. But then, we don't send that man over on Poland thing, people in property, so don't spend $1,000s for. Well, land there, no, we'll pass you for weeks. So that's sending. Nobody never forgive, nobody answer. And for me, who shall park at the parking lot when I'm parking traffic road? They tell me, say, so the man they tell me, say, if I not come out, they need fire me. Imagine like broadly saying you need fire me by me asking question. The person they operate in my show, they broke place, they take the bottle and from the bar, drink liquor, they put it inside a machine, and then they stop and say, no, now this is a walk, you can walk. On a particular. You understand? All this is wrong. It's totally wrong. We all are Sierra-Leoneans. We all are young men. We don't forget young men and for go away where they tell for invest at the country. Where they tell for pay people and for feed them family at home. And sometimes the people who wear the uniform back, they forget how they talk to with the civilians. Because of tax money, they pay them with. Not all the time we ask a question, they for feel intimidated saying, you know, for asking this question because you didn't civil uniform. For Christ's sake, yeah? I'm not to be considered, but I'm LAJ. I'm a peace ambassador. You understand? If I walk in, even if not your moms have been there, if I walk in, I'm part of my job. If I see people in Sinap, yeah, they get disagreements, I'm part of my job. You command them and people away where disagree with certain people. So you guys are an officer, if you for listen to me, even if you're a stupid question to ask, you don't feel intimidated, you don't give me an answer. And the question they ask is very important. Now what are you saying? You said I want Mr. Ba from tourism. Where is the Mr. Ba? They said Mr. Ba didn't tourism. They said they can in 2 minutes. We don't wait now past 6 hours. Then they walk the place, we don't wait for Mr. Ba. Mr. Ba no they come. They don't walk today as you see, na park for the back for load inside truck. No answer for saying that they're using this. And from here to now they say open guides. Yeah? But they're going to begin work on the side to open guides. Keep your own board. Damaged chairs and point televisions and point air conditioners and fridge. Expensive things, point all. No answer. Both case. Then they get other places and back at the same beach road. Way up and guides there. And took your book. Open guide there. Your book. Open guide there. You're not broke. Open guide there. You're not broke. Take a number to next step. So the people saw the book. We need equality. What's in good for Abu, for good for Soi. If the law say for broke the entire beach, oh, broke the entire beach. You understand? We're ready for abide to any rules, any law. We're not law-abiding citizens. If the law go for all man, let go for all man. But let the law not jump down, that's the story. And not they also for point fingers, nobody. But then the way the police and the soldier man approached today was totally wrong. And me are afraid. But let soldier man tell me, so when I left on the come out the fire and just know, I'm afraid. I'm not to Ukraine. Then I see alone. Then a peaceful country. Not so because you all God for being the power and right for threatening me life. You don't walk the place, you the thief from the place. I said, the big man was saying, I said, it's for Kadu. No. So we are very disappointed. Very totally disappointed. Law abiding, yes, we are 100%. What did I say? We're ready for the one. But I hope say no more, they will continue saying at the end of the beach. I hope say what you can to also today, they will continue for going at the last side. I hope say who said them broke so today, other person will come back, 3 months time for safe for being the same place. We hope so. Because that means say clearly, then they pick order for putting money, order for taking money. Yeah? Mom said place a remarkable place where they hire people them, change people's lives, family members. People that they can't get good time now. So. You understand? So for let somebody grab them more, they feel like they can't go broke moms. No, it's totally wrong. If we're talking about tourism, moms are one of the places that we go talk say, if somebody can't say that this country, it kind of moms, go feel proud. Yeah. So I go outside, where the place they bill and so, them bill and so. The place get upstairs, they get downstairs, they get good food, they get good DJs, they get good people where they work with. So that's part of tourism too. So if we think about how they build hotel, if we think about whether the hotel for what you see, whose hotel level low? Every hotel has 3 story for story. The part where they talk safe, they don't for build, they don't safe. And then they build 4 or 5 stories. What you don't see the water. If you want to swim, you go swim. If you want to see outside, you go bela. What's in your land? You want to build for your customers for affect you. Why? This is wrong. This is wrong, and I just said this. The one at the left are people that wake up. The one at the right are people that didn't answer. So if you're the things the people that are at the right, or the people that wake up, it's up to you guys. But we are very disappointed. And as a peace ambassador, I'm very disappointed at the police. For the way they talk to me, for say, when I left at the fire and just know. You understand? And then with the while they broke the place back, I showed the man jacket here. They hold the bottle, they one bottle, they put on in chair. Then they tell me, say, I'm walking the boat. I'm walking the boat. I'm probably can. So yeah, Papa government, we're not the government. But this is totally wrong, disgusting for we as citizens. When they broke moms so today, they talk for moms. They're not sure them for broke, them for stop. The letter will be received. We receive a letter say, if we all this broke the chop. Today, then begin creep from the floor. To number all thing. Tile, all thing and to number. And they will see places that they don't do nothing to. So that will be equality, want me to say this thing for stop, we will feel safe now, we continue. Thank you.
Thank you so much.